Plastics recycling is pretty cool, and today we're recycling more and more. A sports drink bottle can now be recycled into a package to protect strawberries. An orange juice container can become a shampoo bottle. A shampoo bottle can come back again and again as a bottle holding household cleaners or sunscreen or makeup. A milk jug can return as a detergent bottle. A yogurt tub can become parts for your car. Ketchup bottle can become a t-shirt. That plastic shopping bag can return as plastic lumber for a backyard deck or another bag. And bottle caps can become a recycling bin to collect all these plastics. But that's just the beginning. Some communities in California now collect foam cups and containers that are recycled into picture frames and other household products. Pretty cool indeed. Recycling plastics is a fairly simple process. Plastics are collected at home, or at grocery stores or at businesses, and then taken to facilities where they are sorted. After cleaning, the plastics are heated until they melt. Then they are reformed into recycled plastic pellets that are sold to companies that make new products, such as car bumpers, carpeting, railroad ties, backpacks, fleece jackets, playgrounds, even new packaging, and much more. But what about those things that aren't easily recycled? Can we keep those resources from being buried in a landfill? Absolutely. Actually, the number of ways we can recover plastics is growing. When it's feasible, recycling is the way to go. But when something can't be recycled, like if it's too dirty or contaminated, it may be possible to recover that item and convert it to energy. How? Energy recovery facilities convert non-recycled materials into fuel. There are more than 80 waste-to-energy facilities in the U.S. right now. These facilities convert the energy stored in all sorts of waste into electricity to help power our homes and businesses. Burying stored energy in a landfill is such a waste. If we took all of the paper, wood, plastics, old clothes, and other garbage that now goes to landfills and converted that to usable energy, we could power nearly 14 million homes every year. That's right, nearly 14 million homes. Today, only about 11% of all our municipal solid waste goes to waste-to-energy facilities. Another 34% gets recycled or composted. The rest still ends up buried in landfills. But there are other technologies that could turn more plastics into energy and other valuable things. One of them is called plastics to oil. Just like it sounds, this technology converts non-recycled plastics into oil that can be refined and used as fuel for cars and other vehicles. And get this, if all the non-recycled plastics in municipal solid waste in the US were converted this way, we would create enough oil to fuel nearly 9 million cars for a whole year. Another technology called engineered fuel turns non-recycled plastics and other waste into solid fuel that is used as an alternative to traditional solid fuels such as coal. Someday, it could even be used more widely at facilities that make electricity, steel, cement, or even auto parts. In addition to liquid fuel and solid fuel, non-recycled waste can be converted into a gas fuel too. It's called gasification, and it's a very versatile form of energy recovery. The gas can be used to produce electricity, or in some cases, converted into liquid fuels and even raw materials for manufacturing. So, what we often think of as waste today is really a valuable resource. Even before recycling and energy recovery, plastics are already working hard to help us do more with less. Plastics keep food fresh so they last longer. They help ship more product with less fuel and greenhouse gas emissions. And they resist breaking and shattering, which can save time and money. And once they're done doing their job, many plastics can be recycled or converted into energy to help heat somebody's home, or maybe someday fuel a car, or create a new raw material. To learn more about how innovations in plastics contribute to sustainability, visit plastics.americanchemistry.com.